Today's video, we're going to talk about how to unpack and set up your new TheraTouch EX4 stim unit or the TheraTouch CX4 combo unit. But first, let's talk about the contents of your package. We're going to make sure that you have 4 sets of lead wires, 8-ounce bottle of ultrasound gel, a green color-coded combo lead wire. Remember, if you forgot or if some of you aren't experienced with combo therapy, you're utilizing electrotherapy and ultrasound together. We're going to have a dedicated lead wire for that application. We're also going to look at, make sure you have 1 power cord for your clinical version unit. If you have the unit with the therapy card, you're going to use this to plug into the cord that's integrated at the bottom of the therapy card. If not, you can use this to plug right into the back of the unit. You're going to have 5 sets of adhesive electrodes, a user manual, and as well as a clinical guide booklet on electrotherapy and ultrasound applications authored by Dr. Joe Gallo. Lastly, if you've got a combo unit, you're going to have a 5 centimeter squared applicator that'll come with your unit. And of course, I forgot, you will also have a patient interrupt stop switch. When we plug it in, it's just a matter of handing that to the patient to interrupt the therapy if needed. One other unique feature is that your combo or stim unit comes with a unique, industry-leading 3-year warranty. We also recommend from the manufacturer that you have your devices inspected and calibrated at least once a year by a local service provider. Very quickly, let's show you one quick setup on your lead wires and some of the other accessories that you can attach to both devices. You've got a lead wire that can go into channel 1 port. They're both color coded, so red to red, black to black. You got 4 lead wires for 4 channels. Take the other end of the lead wire set, have the same type of color coded pins in this case that will match up to an industry standard self-adhesive electrodes with what's known as pigtail connectors. You simply attach each pin to an electrode. It does not matter which electrode. And at that point, you're prepared now to apply the electrodes to the patient and begin your treatment. Now let's move on to the unique and color-coded lead wire for your combo ultrasound e-stim treatment. The TheraTouch device has a very unique lead wire in that it's green. You can remember that green goes with your combo therapy, and it's just 1 lead color-coded to plug into the proper port. For your TheraTouch devices, that's dedicated to channel 2, and it has a depiction of an electrode and an ultrasound wave, obviously corresponding with your combo treatment. So simply plug in your lead wire to the port, and you'll take the pin lead and simply plug it into a single electrode, and then apply your electrode to the area that you're going to be treating with the ultrasound applicator, completing the circuit for your combo therapy. Okay? The patient interrupt switch simply plugs into the port on the left-hand side of your device from the lead wires. And if you've got a combo unit, like I said before, your ultrasound will cradle here, ultrasound applicator, and then you're simply going to line up the arrow to plug in your device into the ultrasound port. If you have any questions beyond this, please refer to your local rep for questions or contact Rich Moore directly. Thank you very much.